Hello everyone, today we are going to learn how to make this. It's a very simple design, you can easily make it. Okay, you can hang this on your bag, phone, whatever. So let's start making it. Okay, so let's start making our pattern. For that we need one magic ring. Okay, and now we'll make one slip knot or a slip stitch here, and from here we are going to make 12 half double crochet in this magic ring. So 1 2 3 4. So in this way we are going to make 12 half double crochet. So we have done 12 double crochet. Now we are going to close this magic ring with a slip stitch. Okay, your first chain we are going to make one slip stitch. Okay, and now in the first stitch here, again we are going to make one slip stitch, and we are going to make two chains, and in the next one we are going to make one slip stitch. So one, again we are going to make two chains, 1 2, and in the next one we are going to make one slip stitch. So like this we have to make 12. Okay, so we have done total 12. Now in the next one here, in the very first gap we are going to make one slip stitch, and from here we are going to make 4 chains. Okay, 1 2 3 and 4, and in the same stitch we are going to make one double triple crochet, and again in the same stitch we are going to make one more double triple crochet. And in the next one we are going to make one double triple, we have to take like this 1 2 3. This is double triple, that one was triple crochet. And okay, so I'll make one more, 1 2 3 4, and we are going to make one triple crochet in the same space where we have done our chain, one more triple crochet in the same space, 1 2 3, and now in the next space we are going to make one double triple crochet. Okay, next space we are going to make one double triple crochet, from here we are going to make one double triple crochet and 2 chains. After that we are going to make one more double triple crochet in the same space. Okay, now we are going to make triple crochet in the next space. Okay, 1 2 3, one more, 1 2 3, and from here we are going to make 4 chains, and we are going to make slip stitch in the same stitch. And now see, you can see we have done with 2 petals. Now we have to make 2 more. Okay guys, so I have done this, I have made 2 pieces. Okay, Now I'm going to join them and leave bit space here. Okay, so I'm going to join them with a needle and I'm going to leave some space. So let's start joining from you can leave space anywhere. I'm going to leave it here. So in the meanwhile, let's start joining them. So instead of crochet hook, I'm joining it with needle. Okay, so it's up to you. You want to join it with hook, you can do that. Okay, so I'll see you after joining it till here. Okay guys, so I have stitched it and this part is open. So from here I'm going to fill some fiber in this to make it more fluffy. Try to fill it like this in the corner. Don't fill too much because it's very small piece, so no need to fill it. Just fill in these petals too. Okay, look, now it's looking like this, and now I'm going to stitch this whole thing. Okay, okay, so we are here now. Look, now I'm going to add this here. Okay, I'm giving some knots like this, so it will look beautiful, as well as it will add some strength to this string also. What do you call this? I don't know. This is called pull it down somewhere so it will not pop out again. Okay, let me just put it. Yes, like this. Okay, now we are going to cut this yarn from here, and now again what I have to do, I'm going to make some chains here. Okay, and now I'm going to make slip stitch in all the chains like this. So it's done like this, and at the end I'm going to make one slip knot in this, and I'm going to give one slip knot here, so and cut the yarn in both of them and cut the extra yarn, very tight knot, at least 2 or 3. Cut the yarn. See, it's ready now. So guys, please like and subscribe. Okay, thanks for watching. Bye bye.